For the past 3 months, we've taken a look at YouTube's tumultuous 14-year history. Now, for the next few months, we are going to look into YouTube's government, which will cover YouTube's operations, CEOs, and quote-unquote emperors. YouTube is a subsidiary of Google, which in turn is owned by conglomerate Alphabet. This distinction allows YouTube to work across platform with other Google services like the now defunct Google+, Gmail, and many other services. YouTube itself operates several different products, mainly YouTube's main operation, YouTube Go, YouTube Music, YouTube Premium, and YouTube TV. YouTube's main operation is the core of the entire video streaming platform, showing different types of videos based on a user preference. YouTube Go is the mobile variant of this main service, primarily targeted at developing nations, which adds features not found in the main YouTube mobile app, including the ability to preview videos, options for video resolution, and so on. YouTube Music is the video platform's music streaming service, which allows users to browse through songs based on preferences and allows for ad-free playback, audio-only background playback, and downloading songs for offline playback. YouTube Premium is, YouTube's premium variant, but it allows users to watch exclusive content and videos ad-free with the addition of offline playback. YouTube TV is the video platform's over-the-top or OTP internet television service that allows users to watch live television, on-demand video, and DVR. The YouTube TV lineup includes every major American broadcast network and many cable channels. So that is all of YouTube's operations, all of which structure the website's functionality. Next month, we'll go into YouTube CEOs and the reputation that they have on their website. In the meantime, that is it for this part of YouTube Nation. New episodes every second Saturday of the month. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more content, and I'll see you around.